Here we have Bandit 600 Mk1 spares or repairs. There's a clutch problem with it. It needs a general overhaul all round. Fork seals are okay though. Been sitting for about 6 months now, so brakes are binding. Downpipes need replacing due to the usual collector box rot down here, but I did manage to get them off without snapping any studs, so that's nice and easy, although I haven't tightened them back up properly. So when I start it in a second you will hear the vibration. Like I say, it's been sat for 6 months, so we'll need a new chain I think as well, because it's got stiff links in. Very rusty as well, and dry. But it does still start, funnily enough, after being laid up for 6 months. I'll show you the clutch. You can't, it's stuck. Doesn't matter what you do, it's stuck. It's not doing anything at all. I don't know what the issue is. Still goes through the gears. Gearbox is fine. Just no clutch. Sorry about this. Downport's cold. Freezing cold. Absolutely cold. Oh, it has got an oil leak from the oil cooler tube pipe. Yeah, I'm assuming it needs a new washer or new pipe, I'm unsure. Put some choke on.
Yeah.